So, hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, I came with some of the important opportunity from various companies like the Zifra, Swiggy, and Zepto, and Geotap, and other important hiring. So, if you are the fresher looking for some internship and job opportunity, then this video is for you. So, first importantly, that is from the Zifra Solutions Limited. They are hiring for the role of fresher software development engineer, SDE position, and this is a full-time role. And the job location will be Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam, rural. So, these will be your roles and responsibility. You will design, develop, and maintain efficient and scalable software, participate in code reviews and other things. So the who are eligible for this, you should be having bachelor degree in computer science, IT or related field, and should be having a great foundational knowledge in Java, Python or C++, and data structures, algorithm, and basic knowledge of SDLC and SQL. Okay friends, also if you need these notes, then you can also join our WhatsApp Telegram group. I have shared the free preparation material for all those stuff. So if you want, you can do. If you have some experience with React, Angular or Node.js, means if you have done some project, then there is a strong chance of getting selections from this company. Next importantly, that is from the Geotap. They are hiring for the role of infrastructure SRE intern, and this is also wonderful opportunity. So these are roles and responsibilities. So the requirement is you should be having strong knowledge of Linux fundamentals and Python or Go language, and Git branching knowledge you should be having. Okay, if you have some Docker or monitoring knowledge, then you can apply and you will be getting the additional advantage. Next importantly, that is from the Bonds Madam. They are hiring for the role of process engineer. So if you want, you can apply for this, and these will roles and responsibility. So I will share all the job link in the description. You can directly apply for this. Okay, and moving to next, that is from the Swiggy. They are hiring for the role of associate account manager, and freshers are legal for this. So if you are from the account department, or if you know any person who is from account department, you can share with them. The requirement is you should be having good communication skills and other stuffs. Moving to next, that is from the American Chase. They are hiring for the role of associate trainee and non-tech profile. So if you are from the BE, BTech, MCA, MBA and have a good communication skills and want to apply with that, then you can apply. The job location will be the Indore, Madhya Pradesh, and this is work from office. So if you are interested, you can apply. Next importantly, that is from the IIT Mandi. This is a 1 month residential program at IIT Mandi campus, and 220 hours of learning will be getting. So this is a wonderful opportunity, especially who those who want to utilize their time in summer things. Next importantly, that is from the Steelfield fintech company. They are hiring, and the package they are giving till 5 LPA. So this is also an internship position. So there will be offline assessment, and that will be conducted at Chennai and Bangalore or multiple locations, Hyderabad, Pune. Then resume evaluation and telephonic screening, and then technical interview. Means there will be multiple round of technical interviews. So if you are from the BCA, MBA, BBA, BSc, BA, BCom, LLB, MA, all graduates can apply, and 2026 pass outs are legal for this. Next importantly, that is from the BlackRock. They are hiring for the role of analyst in data management, and job location will be Bengaluru. So if you are interested, you can apply for that, and these are the requirement. Means you should be having knowledge of SQL and some other thing. Friend, recently TCS have announced the results. So first of all, congratulations who got the result, and if you want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can fill the form. We will provide you complete guidance and help you to clear this interview. So कोई भी query also you can ask me at Insta or Facebook, or we can connect on LinkedIn if you have any query. Next importantly, that is they are hiring for the role of fresh graduates, GET role, BTech in electronics and ECE. So freshers are eligible for this. The job location will be Ahmedabad and Gujarat, and this will be your roles and responsibilities. So if you are interested, you can see your resume to this mail ID. Coming to last importantly, that is from the Ripple Hire. They are hiring for the role of development one software engineer, and these will be your roles and responsibilities. So the requirement is you should be having a good communication skill and have a knowledge of the corresponding tech stack like the documentation, and also this will be a non-tech profiles. If you are interested, you can apply for this. Okay, means besides that, there are some other requirements are there, that is the programming language, DBMS and all those stuff. So just go through complete job in the description, you can apply. Hope informative to you. For getting such important job update, you can subscribe us. मिलते हैं next update में. Thank you.